navigation, heated seats, sunroof, power liftgate, all-wheel drive, overhead airbag, cold weather package, driver assistance package, dual-zone AC, turbocharged 28i trim, alpine white exterior and oyster interior. Read more. Key features include all-wheel drive, power liftgate, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, dual-zone AC rear spoiler, remote trunk release, privacy glass, child safety locks, steering wheel controls option package S technology package navigation system, BMW Online, advanced real-time traffic information, remote services, BMW apps, enhanced USB and Bluetooth with smartphone integration, head-up display, premium package comfort access keyless entry, panoramic moonroof, lumbar support, satellite radio, 1-year subscription, cold weather package heated steering wheel, heated front seats, heated rear seats, retractable headlight washers, rear view camera with TOP view, driver assistance package rear view camera, park distance control, premium hi-fi system. Lighting package xenon headlights, adaptive light control, fineline wavewood trim, satin aluminum roof rails, automatic high beams. 28i with alpine white exterior and oyster interior features a 4-cylinder engine with 240 horsepower at 5,000 RPMs. Visit U.S. Tata Moses BMW serving St. Albans, Charleston, Huntington, Teays Valley, and Ashland is proud to be an automotive leader in our community. Since 1947, Moses BMW has maintained a solid commitment to you, our customers, offering the widest selection of BMW vehicles and ease of purchase. Horsepower calculations based on trim engine configuration. Please confirm the accuracy of the included equipment by calling us prior to purchase.